In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cash App Card to Apple Pay. By the end, your Cash App Card will be ready to use anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, whether that's in stores, inside apps, or online. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Cash App. Give it a second to fully load so everything syncs. Along the bottom of the screen, look for the Card tab and tap it. This is where your Cash App Card lives and where you'll connect it to Apple Pay. Before you continue, make sure your Cash App Card is activated. If it's already active, you'll see it displayed and ready to manage. If you don't see it marked as active, take a moment to activate it first within Cash App so Apple Pay can recognize it. Having a steady internet connection here helps speed things up. Once your card is active, tap Add to Apple Pay. This button starts the secure link between your Cash App Card and your Apple Wallet. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts and tap Next whenever you're ready to move forward. The prompts are designed to walk you through the process smoothly. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to confirm your identity or approve the addition with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Just proceed as instructed on your screen. Next, you'll be shown the terms and conditions. Take a moment to review them so you know how your card will work inside Apple Pay. When you're comfortable, accept the terms to continue. Now wait for the confirmation message that your Cash App card has been added to Apple Wallet. This usually appears within a few seconds. If it takes a bit longer, just keep the app open and let it finish. Network speed can affect this, so patience is key. After you see the confirmation, open the Wallet app on your iPhone to double check everything. Your Cash App card should appear among your payment cards with its recognizable design. Seeing it here means you're all set. You can now use your Cash App card with Apple Pay for quick, secure purchases in stores by holding your iPhone near the reader and authenticating in apps at checkout and online wherever Apple Pay is offered. If you ever run into issues, make sure your iPhone is up to date and that you're signed into iCloud, then try again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.